cream, Oreo, M&M's,
They almost mixed it like Cold Stones, huh?
It's better than Cold Stones because they don't even have to have ice cream.
Justice and get those leggings for Nanny. So it's right there.
Can you also get some more of the gray ones?
Oh, do you like those black? Okay.
So black and gray ones.
Please.
Please.
He's a perfectionist.
Yeah. This thing has a iron leg. And there's been like
Yeah.
Yeah.